everybody, and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Today is the first day for modifications on Brick the Crown Vic. Okay, so the first thing I should be doing is doing a safety check. Check the brakes, make sure everything's working before I actually drive this car around a lot. But the first thing I'm actually going to do is take care of this big problem here. This just really bugs me. I want to cover this up. I'm not going to cover it up in a really professional way. I'm going to do it in a very unprofessional way. Okay, so let's get rid of that terrible, disease-looking hood. Okay, I don't think you can see me because the car is so white, but the first thing you want to do is proper prep whenever you're going to paint the car. So that means you got to remove all like oil, grease, and like dust and dirt. So we're going to use the proper prep, and that in this case is Windex and a paper towel. Okay, let's spray this guy. I just want to get the dust and dirt off right around here. Ooh. Okay. I'd say that's clean enough. What do you say?
Yeah.
Okay, paint prep is completed. That took about 2 minutes, right? Yeah, it took about 2 minutes. Now we must properly mask off the car. We don't want to get paint on here. We don't want to get any paint on here. So let's mask off the car. Okay, as you can see, we properly prepped and masked the car. That took about 2 minutes too. So now let's get painting. Okay, we're going with Plasticoat Super Enamel White. We'll see how close a match this is. I got a couple other white paints I'm going to try as well, but we'll see this. Try this first. It's actually pretty close. It's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to give epoxy appliance finish a try. This might be the most durable finish of all. That looks so much better, except unfortunately the paint on the edges is reacting and it's peeling back even more. That's not good, as you can see. So, but still, from 20 or maybe 50 or maybe 100 feet away, this car looks pretty good. And I still got a few spots I gotta take care of here. There we go. Just got to do a little bit of body repair here. Good. Okay, next comes the wheels. These are all pretty rusty. Originally these were gloss black. I think I'm gonna go with a flat black, and normally the best way to do is take these wheels off and put paper around the edges and everything else to make sure no paint gets on the inside or the brakes. I'm not gonna worry about that. So let's just start painting, shall we? Okay, that looks a lot better. Should be a gloss finish, but still, that looks a lot better than the straight rust that we had. So both the wheels on this side are now done. So let's put Let's do the other side, yeah. Okay, all the wheels are painted with a flat black paint. I just painted right over the rust. I don't care. It looks a whole lot better than the way it was before. And I've got a few spot areas painted. And of course the hood is now painted, and from a distance, from a great distance, the car looks okay. Now I still got to replace all the duct tape. These are all holes that are in the body. Just got to get some rubber plugs, maybe a Canadian Tire, to cover over that. And then that'll look a little bit more professional. All right, there you have it. Some quick little improvements for my Crown Vic, my ex-police car. From a distance, it looks a lot better, and only took me about maybe half an hour to do all this. And I'm going to fix the hood a lot better. I'm going to do a more professional job, repaint that white. But for now, I just want to make a little bit of a difference. And next, I got to check for the brakes and make sure they're working properly, and make sure that the vehicle is safe, and then I'm just gonna start driving it. Okay, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. And please like and subscribe for more Brick the Crown Vic content.